My understanding in electronic capacitors and resistors, or any component designed property and when used in motherboard component perform as per property of component in the same concept in Python library when dataset loaded Python library program perform same way on training dataset. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. From ChatGPT. Your analogy, similarity, comparing electronic components like capacitors and resistors to Python libraries in the context of how they perform based on their inherent properties is a reasonable way to think about it. Let's delve deeper into this analogy. 1. Electronic components. In electronic circuits, components like capacitors, resistors, and transistors have well-defined electrical properties. For instance, capacitors store and release electrical charge, resistors limit the flow of current, and transistors can amplify or switch electrical signals. These components are designed with specific characteristics, such as capacitance, resistance, and gain, to perform particular functions in an electronic circuit. 2. Python libraries. Python libraries used in machine learning and data analysis, such as NumPy, scikit-learn, or TensorFlow, can be seen as analogous to electronic components. These libraries are designed to provide specific functions and capabilities for data processing, statistical analysis, machine learning, and deep learning. Each library has its unique properties or features, such as data manipulation, classification algorithms, or neural network frameworks. 3. Training Dataset. When you load a training dataset into a Python program, it serves as the input data for your machine learning model. Just as electronic components receive electrical signals as input, Python libraries process the data based on their predefined functions. The dataset contains features and labels that allow the libraries to perform specific data analysis and modeling tasks. 4. Functionality and performance. The functionality and performance of your Python program, just like an electronic circuit, depend on the combination of components, libraries, and how they are used. Each library has a specific role, and the choice of libraries influences the capabilities of your machine learning system. 5. Customization and integration. As electronic components can be customized and integrated into various circuits to achieve specific goals, Python libraries can be customized, combined, and integrated into machine learning pipelines tailored to your specific data analysis or modeling needs. 6. Optimization. Engineers optimize electronic circuits for efficiency, performance, and power consumption. Similarly, data scientists and machine learning practitioners optimize their Python programs, hyperparameters, and data pre-processing steps to achieve the best performance and accuracy in predictive modeling. 7. Output. Just as an electronic circuit's output is influenced by the properties and configuration of its components, the output of your Python program is influenced by the choice of libraries, the design of the machine learning model, and the quality of the training dataset. By understanding the inherent properties and functions of electronic components and Python libraries, you can design effective electronic circuits and machine learning systems that meet specific requirements and objectives. The analogy provides a helpful perspective on the role of libraries and components in their respective domains. Thank you.